Hello guys, today's video we're gonna talk how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for resume and CV templates business, easy and quick. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So if the topic isn't here, you can describe your site here. So you can type resume and CV templates like this. And what are your top goals? Sell services, sell products. Let's continue. How would you like to get started? Choose the professional design templates, design website templates. Now let's move on. That's it. Here you can build your own templates. You can build your own templates, or if you want to start with one of these templates here. So let's get started. Let's build our own templates. Let's go. So the first thing here, you're gonna enter your business name. Or let's move on. Build your own build your homepage here. Build your homepage section by section. Add in as many or as few sections as you need. So the first section, the intro section, must be an attractive section. So you have to try your best to make your site looks attractive and looks better. So the intro section, the product section. So all the sections must be in attractive sections. So you can do anything to make your site looks better. That's it. And now let's move on. Add page to your site. Choose the color. Choose any color palette you want here. Any color match with your business. Okay, I'm gonna choose this. Choose the font. Okay, now let's move on. Here you can choose if you want to continue and describe something about your website and add the description and choose the writing style, or if you want to just skip this. Okay, I'm gonna skip this. Okay, this is your home page right now. So first, if you want to edit, just click here, and the first thing here, you're gonna change the text here to introduce your brand or your site, your website. Okay, for example, you can type welcome to our site for resume and CV templates. Okay, now let's move on to the background. Go to this section. Here you can edit the grid and the section, the full screen, the height and the alignment. In the background you can choose just a simple art if you want, and also you can choose image as a background. So click here and go to the free image or from premium image and search on resume and CV templates. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this, and after this you can go to the label and you can change the text on this label here. You can type whatever you like on this label. So that's it. After this, uh, you can change the color of the font here to make it looks attractive and looks better than this. Okay, for example, like this, it's much better and clear. You can add anything on your section, image or video or button or whatever you like. And if you want to add something new on your homepage, just click here add section and you can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. Okay, now let's move on to the site header. Here you can change the site title and the logo. You can upload the logo image as a file or select from library, and also you can add the mobile logo image. Now let's move on to the elements. You can turn this on and change the text on this label here. You can change the icon style. Okay, that's it. Now let's move on. First you have to change the wave intensity. Okay, and change the text size. Like this, it's much better and much attractive. Now let's move on to this image. Delete this image and add another one. Okay, okay, search here on resume and CV templates. Okay, mm. Okay, I'm gonna choose this for example. And after this, here you can use this space to talk about your product and your shop and your business, how and where are they made and what makes them unique. So before you change the topic, you can change the paragraph to heading 4. Like this, it's much better. And after this, you can change the topic on the text here and talk about your products. Now you can go to the background and change you can select just a simple art here. You don't have to add image on the background. Just a simple art is much better. Also here, just a simple art. Okay, and also here. And here, instead of this image, you can add a map, for example. Okay, so here you can add your business and your business address, and your city, and the state, and the country. Also, you can change the design of the map. Okay. Okay, like this. And now the last step is added the background, just a simple art. Okay, now let's move on to the last section on the website, the footer section. Don't have to add the image on the background, just a simple art like this. So that's it. After you're done from this, you can go to the settings section and customizing your price and add the way to get paid and choose the subscription plan. And the last step is publish your website and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site on Squarespace for resume and CV templates business, easy and quick. Don't forget, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.